my body will be pinching me, and that kind of thing, that carry it on their head like this, that don't like being positive. They don't like seeing the positive aspect of life. Do you want to, if you suffer and stress today and then tomorrow you have so much time and leisure and luxury to yourself, or do you want to enjoy today and tomorrow you end up being a barrel pusher? Of course, I know if you have been observant, you would have noticed that lately things have not been going smoothly in your life. It seems as if your life is going down the drain. It seems as if you're deteriorating as the day go by. If I tell you that you are the reason behind what you're going through, would you believe me? I guess not. I'm Vic Tritama, and today I want to break down and highlight those 5 habits of yours that are destroying your life. Number 1 is hanging around wrong people. And now when I say wrong people, I mean people that are pessimistic, that carry it on their head like this, that don't like being positive. They don't like seeing the positive aspect of life. If you give them a jar with water, instead of them to say it is half full, they will tell you that it is half empty. Basically, they don't want to see the good thing. Every single thing that happens in their life, they always take it as, okay, the world is working against me today. Today, yes, everything, this one. You understand? Now, there's a saying that if you hang around people like that, for example, if you hang around 4 pessimistic people, you will end up being the 5th person. And of course, your life is going to be destroyed, because when you don't see the good in life, how do you not expect life to give you good? So the second way in which you're destroying your life is by scrolling mindlessly on social media. Yes, I know you're watching this on social media. Anyways, maybe that's one of the ways God wants to liberate you from what you're going through. But limit the amount of time you spend on social media. Just imagine you get back from work or school or wherever it is you go to on a daily basis. That's if you actually go out, and you spend 4 hours, 5 hours going through social media, watching videos on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, even going through WhatsApp status and everything. People are out there making money through social media, and you are not making money. Rather, you spend your whole day watching others. And now you don't know that this thing called social media is a very strong addiction. Like, it is an addiction. I used to be addicted to social media actually, but by the grace of God, I was able to overcome that. And by the way, 90% of the things you see on social media are not true. Yes, social media is a place where most people come and pretend. So if you live your life, maybe you go through, when you scroll one, you see someone driving Benz, you see one, as a lady, you see one fine girl with bone straight. You don't know what he or she is doing to make their money. So my dear, reduce the time you spend on social media. And if you want to be spending so much time on social media, make sure that time you're spending, you're using it to make money. You understand? Make money. Don't just be feeding yourself with things that are going on social media. Number 3 thing that is actually destroying your life is when you are messing up with your sleep. Stop playing with your sleep. Stop messing up your sleep. Because first of all, if you don't get enough sleep, you're going to be feeling sick. You're going to be feeling depressed. You're going to be feeling down. And you'll be having mood swings left, right, and center, which will end up making you pessimistic and then end up destroying your life. Embrace a good sleeping habit today. The 4th thing that is actually destroying your life is when you're eating like your life depends on it. Basically, you eat when you're feeling happy, you eat when you're feeling sad, you eat when you win, you eat when you lose. No, you will end up being overweight. I have been overweight before, though I'm still on my journey to being more fit, but I have been very, very, very overweight before, and I know what comes with it. First of all, it makes you depressed. Secondly, it makes you negative. You don't see the good things in life. No, the 3rd one, you won't even be able to sleep. I remember when I was overweight, sleeping was a problem. It's almost caused issues between I and my husband, because I couldn't sleep, and when it makes me feel bad. Like my body will be pinching me and that kind of thing. So that is one of the disadvantages of eating like your life depends on it, which will end up destroying your life. And not just your mental health, also your physical health. You will not be fit, and you might come down with one disease or the other that might not be able to be cured, and you end up living the rest of your life on drugs. Please avoid that. Now, the fifth and the last way in which you are destroying your life is by avoiding discomfort. Comfort zone means different things for different people. There are some persons that their comfort zone is lying on their bed from morning to night. There are some persons that their comfort zone is hanging out with friends, drinking, chilling. There's a person that their comfort zone is social media, scrolling on social media. If you need to go out of your comfort zone to make money, to become successful, to make something out of your life, then by all means do not avoid it. If you rest today, tomorrow you're going to work. If you work today, tomorrow you're going to rest. So choose the one that you want. Do you want to suffer and stress today, and then tomorrow you have so much time and leisure and luxury to yourself? Or do you want to enjoy today and tomorrow you end up being a barrel pusher? Of course, I know the one you're choosing. So these 5 things I've talked about are the things that are destroying your life and making your life miserable. So my brothers and sisters, I would implore you to avoid these 5 things. And whatever it is you're doing, do it in moderation, and your life is going to be blissful, sweet, successful, and you're going to end up being a happy and fulfilled person in life. So I made a video recently about the reason why people fail. So many persons think that the reason why they fail is as a result of external factors, but no, most times it is as a result of internal factors. So click this to watch the video so you will know how people make themselves fail, and then you will end up avoiding it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Yes, I am a new creator, and I know how long I thought about it before I finally created this channel. This channel, like I always say, is not for perfect people. It is for imperfect persons like you and I to learn together, to grow together, and achieve a better life. So subscribe to my channel, guys. Turn on notification, like my posts, comments, drop your comments. If there's anything I've said that is actually true or not true, drop your comments. You can drop your own 2 cents so we can grow together and live a happy life, which is the end goal. So bye guys. See you on the next one.